Creatively, I still don't like the sound of my own voice, but I feel the need to express. I always feel somewhat embarrassed of my creative chest. I don't seem to be able to just accept how things are at best. Natural, natural in their flow, natural in the ism of where they're not going to go. But after recording and listening and doing and feeling that I have to follow this flow, I still get concerned about the sound of my own voice, about the different tones, the levels, the sound of a golf ball rolling in my throat, that London tone, that British girl, the old Londonian woman who still worries about not liking the sound of her own voice.